Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build a pricing page and lead app with Lemon Squeezy, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Lemon Squeezy account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the products section on the left hand side of the screen. Click on Create Product to start setting up your new product. Fill in the required product details, including the name, description, and pricing. Select the type of product you are creating, such as a digital download or subscription. After entering the details, click on Save Product. Next, move to the Pricing tab to set up your pricing page. Here, you can configure one-time payment options or recurring subscription rates. Choose the appropriate currency for your pricing. If you want to offer discounts or coupons, you can set those up in this section as well. Once pricing is set, go to the Lead Generation section. In this section, you can configure settings for capturing leads. Add a lead form, including fields such as name, email, and any other relevant information. Customize the thank you message that users will see after submitting the form. Once you have completed setting up the lead form, save your changes. Now, navigate to the Integrations tab to connect your favorite email marketing service. Select your email provider from the list and follow the prompts to integrate. After the integration is complete, return to the dashboard to preview your pricing page. Make sure everything is displayed correctly and that the lead form is functioning. Once you are satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your pricing page live. Finally, test the complete flow by submitting a test lead through your pricing page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.